Hi guys, welcome back to Dean and family, and today we're making some quarter chicken. We're making all the drumstick part, leg side, because everybody want drumstick. That's why we decide to make only drumsticks. And we
Quarters.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer. Every night, I can feel my leg and my arm, even my fingers.
quarters.
Yes, the quarter chicken.
Yeah, why is it quarter chicken? Why did it
Okay,
say
so you're gonna roast it in the oven,
Yeah, we're gonna put
in the
oven.
pizza oven.
Yeah, and
And
what
this is
you
dinner.
you cook for what you cook? Kitchari.
Yes, because today is a nice cold day. It's not hot. And Frankie is here. Frankie, say hi.
Hi.
And Max is there also relaxing.
And it's very easy to make this quarter chicken. We're gonna tie up all the legs here.
So this thing is going into the
Yeah.
oven. Okay. And here we got Bella, Bindu, and Cody relaxing. And Bindu is going to give birth any day now, guys. Look how big her belly is. Bindu! Bindu! Can't wait to see what pups she give birth to. What dance you doing?
Pakistani dance. I'm sorry, Cody. I gotta do what I gotta do, bro.
Why are you smacking? So this is a roast chicken. Huh? So if for anyone that's wondering, this is not a chicken tikka. This is a roast chicken. It's roasted quarters. With the kitchari tonight, that's our dinner. Looks so delicious. Delicious.
Huh?
Are you ready to eat, Dean?
No,
Why?
because
Because what?
it looks like it's gonna fall.
You're gonna fall.
Guys, if it falls, I won't eat fire. I will rather eat grass.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You make no sense.
Be careful your feet, Serbia, Korea, Netherlands, Senegal, Costa Rica. Feel a baby. Careful. Mama, Isha said.
So proud of you, boy.
I'm back here. Look. It's
I'm just worried because. So guys, it's ready now. And Dean is going to taste.
We'll try by the argument.
It's delicious.
Thanks for watching our video. This is our dinner for tonight. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn notifications and you'll get notified when we post another video. Peace.